Hands-on demonstration on summary statistics. Worksheet instructions.
Sinend ko po yung file na gagamitin natin for the hands-on demonstration. It is named 2_summary statistics demo data dash facts. So Excel file po siya, and kindly download na lang natin yung file na yan. Okay? So yan yung gagamitin natin for the hands-on demonstration ng summary statistics. So let me just share my screen para makita po natin kung ano yung nilalaman. Okay? So once na-download nyo na po, don't forget na i-open din po natin, ha, para makita natin if working yung file natin na dinownload. Okay, so what we have here is an Excel file that contains 12 worksheets. Ayan, so meron tayong 12 na gagawin for this hands-on demonstration. Okay, so isa-isahin natin siya. First is the mean dash max, then meron tayong mean with outliers, the weighted mean, median, median with even number of observations, median with tied values, median with outliers, standard deviation, coefficient of variation, skewness, and some other summary measures. Okay? So medyo madami-dami yung ating gagawin na worksheets, but don't worry. As you can see, for each of the worksheet, meron na po yung kalakip na mga instructions or mga guide kung paano natin gagawin yung kada summary statistic. Okay? So as you can see, meron ditong first step hanggang last step. Okay? So ibig sabihin, pag natapos na po yung ating seminar or itong ating training for this week and bumalik na po tayo sa kanya-kanya nating mga offices, meron po tayong guide. Okay? So, ina-advise namin na sundan po natin itong hands-on demonstration kasi magsisilbing reference na rin po natin ito when we use it sa ating mga work. Okay? So, of course, mas voluminous lang yung data na ginagamit natin sa work, but you can still use the same steps. Okay?